Hello and welcome to this Printess tutorial. My name is Tessa Deploy and I'm going to be showing you this fantastic new feature from Printess for Claude Scripting that we can use in our scripting dialogue. I have absolutely no development experience, so I am showing this from a pleb point of view and just to show you how easy it is. So without further ado, let's begin.
We'll start off by adding a new document. A4 is fine. And I think for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to make it a landscape document. We'll add an image and just dock it to bleed so that it sits the full page. And then one other thing that we need to do is give the image a name. So the reason we do that is so that our scripting dialog knows where to apply the image change. Okay, and for now, that's it. From this point, we will hit the J key to open our scripting dialog. And over here, we have some really excellent examples with a really well-established prompt. And I'm going to be using one of the examples just to show you what it is. But you will see over here that it requires you to create an image frame and give it the name image, which we did. And it's also asking in this example to create a form field name that has the name city name. So before I carry on, I'm going to go and add the city name form field. Okay, now going back to the scripting dialog, I've put that in place. Depending on the example that you'll choose, you'll see that it gives you the instructions. So that was a really nice guide of what you'll need to do before you run the script. Otherwise, it might not work. Switching back to hidden objects. So we're going to create something that looks a little bit like a Where's Wally or Where's Waldo, depending on where you are. And we are now going to ask it to create the dialogue. This can take a bit of time depending on how complex your script is or your prompt is. It will go through all the skills and ensure that it's doing everything it needs to have it working from the very first attempt. Now you can start to see the magic happen, and it is creating the whole thought process and making the script. And there it is. That's the script all done in just a few minutes. We have a little test dialog that you can use to check whether it is the desired outcome. And from here, we will need to go and connect the script to the image. So we will add a button in the forms that will allow us to name it. Okay, just type in the name here. Create image. Yep, changing the name just so create and image are separate. Oh, there we are. And now we have the feature to create your image. Here I'm uploading a photo of myself and my family. And it's quite a complex script. What it'll do now is extract each family member and insert it into the hidden object picture. It will take a few minutes. And here we have our hidden object picture. You can see my family down here in the corner, and I even have my tattoos. And in just a few minutes, we've created an excellent hidden objects picture using Claude Scripting.
We've seen some really cool things coming in on this feature. We'd love to hear what you've done with it, or if you have any questions, or if you'd like your own demonstration. If you haven't tried the feature before and you're getting stuck, please reach out to us at sales@printess.com. We would love to chat with you and show you through it all. That's it from me. Until next time, bye bye.